Now,
Okay, you're going to need some rubber gloves, a towel, and we're going to put the towel right down under the area we're working on in case we get a little bit of ink leakage, the Allen wrench, and the new ink manifold. And the machine wants to be shut off, okay? Preferably even unplug the machine. It's a good idea, okay? So this is very easy to change this manifold. What we're going to do to start out with is we're going to attach these ink lines to the new manifold. So they should come off finger tight. And you pull the ink line out. Note that there's an O-ring. Don't lose the O-ring. That goes in. And if you hold the manifold in the right position, make sure the line's pushed clear in. Tighten it up good and finger tight. And you may want to go from the bottom up. Now I'm only going to do one ink line because it's just a matter of transferring everything. And it may be easier for you to work from the bottom up. Anyway, as soon as all the ink lines are transferred, you will take your Allen wrench. This could possibly be a Phillips tip screw. Step around here so we can see with the video what we're doing. This ink block may be attached to the right or the left side. The process is the same. What I want you to be careful of, when you remove the screw, the cable is here. We don't want to damage that cable. That's very, very expensive repair. So you get in there with this, and with the cable out of your road, just pop that screw out. Once again, make sure you don't hit the cable. Take the bottom screw out. Remove this ink block, take your new ink block, put it in place, tighten the screws up, and then the ink line itself that goes into this bottom hose part, now you're going to want to remove it. So hold the old manifold up, make sure the ink has drained back into the maintenance tank, and pull this off. Sometimes this is very hard to get off. So be careful. If you break the old fitting, it's no problem. You have a new fitting here. But you may find it a little difficult to pull off. Usually if you get something, and hopefully you can see this, and push on the back side of that, it makes it much easier to pull off. And I kind of squeeze here and push, and I can see it's broke, and it's coming out. So again, I'm not going to pull this one off. I got it loose, you could see, so just pull it, remove it from the machine. Plug it into the new fitting on the new ink block. Make sure your screws are tight. Don't use a wrench on these fittings. About as tight as you can get them, finger tight, is quite sufficient. That's all there is to it. Thank you.